Mabuhay! I'm Arabella Mendoza, your tour guide for these exciting Ilocos Sur adventures. Today, we'll be delving into the rich history, stunning landscape, and vibrant culture of these remarkable regions. Buckle up and get ready to create lasting memories. Let's go! Now, we're going to our first destinations. Our first destination is Kapurpurawan Rock Formation. Our journey begins at the awe-inspiring Kapurpurawan Rock Formations, naturally sculpted by wind and waves, witness the dramatic meeting of land and sea, and capture and breathtaking photos. Our second destination is Bangi Windmills. Next, we head to the iconic Bangi Windmills, a testament to Ilocos Sur's renewable energy initiatives, thick in a scenic panorama of windmills stretching across the rolling hills. Our next destination is Patapat Viaduct, en route to lunch. We'll make a quick stop at the Patapat Viaduct, a marvel of engineering that snakes features squarely along the coastline. Now, after enjoying and eating a food in Tarica Beach Resort, we're gonna continue our tour guiding places. Our next destinations is Malacanang of the North. Step back in the time at the Malacanang of the North, a former presidential summer residence that offers a glimpse into the lives of Philippines leaders. Imagines grad balls and political discussions within these walls. Next destination is Sand Dunes. Embrace your inner child as we explore the rolling sand dunes. Take a sandboarding adventure or simply marvel at the ever-shifting landscape sculpted by the wind. Our next destination is Poway Church. Be mesmerized by the architectural grandeur of Poway Church, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Admire the intricate Baroque details and learn about its fascinating history. The next destination is Vegan City Explorations. The Marcos Museums gain insight into the life and legacy of Ferdinand Marcos at the Marcos Museum. Note that this is a controversial figure in Philippine history, so be prepared for diverse viewpoints. The next destination is Vegan City Explorations. The Marcos Museums gain insight into the life and legacy of Ferdinand Marcos at the Marcos Museum. Note that this is a controversial figure in Philippine history, so be prepared for diverse viewpoints. Our last destination is at Paul College. Step into the historic grounds of St. Paul College, the oldest university in the Philippines. Immerse yourself in its rich academic traditions. I hope you enjoy our tour at Ilocos Sur. God bless!